By following along with this content, you recognize that activities related to yoga involve physical activities which may cause injury. You understand that you must judge your own capabilities with respect to any activity. By continuing with this class, you agree to participate at your own risk. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it is your responsibility to consult with a healthcare provider prior to and regarding your participation. You confirm that you are physically and mentally capable of participating in yoga-related activities. You agree to waive and release Be Yoga, its instructors, staff, and affiliates from any claims related to personal injury, whether caused by negligence or otherwise. Continuing with the rest of this class constitutes acceptance of the waiver of liability. Let's get started by rolling our shoulders back. Switch direction, roll them forward. Left arm across your chest, grab onto your forearm with your other arm, slightly pull it toward you, roll the wrist. Switch side, the right arm goes across the chest, pull it in with the left and roll the wrist. Left arm up overhead and grab the left elbow with the right hand. Other side, grabbing the right elbow with the left hand. Drop the left ear down toward the shoulder, a gentle stretch. Slowly move to the other side, drop the right ear down. And slowly bring your head back to center. Come to a stand. Bring your feet to a comfortable distance apart for a squat. Bend the knees, shift the hips back in space, and then come right back up. Three, two, one. Relax. Bend the left knee, reach back with your left arm, and grab onto your left foot. Stretching the quad here. Shift both hips forward slightly and drop the foot slowly. Switch sides. Right arm grabs the right foot. Use a strap here or a belt if you can't reach your foot. Come back down onto the mat, roll up over your knees, and set yourself up for your variation of a push-up. We're doing 1 minute max push-ups. Adjust your stance as needed. Press the fingertips into the floor. Slightly tuck the tailbone under. And relax. Right into our next exercise. Come to a seated position. Lift the feet up off the floor. Bring the hands behind the ears. Opposite elbow to opposite knee. 1 minute here. If you need to come out of it, hold a stagnant boat pose, arms and feet up off the ground at whatever level you're at. Right into our next exercise, 10 burpees. Stand, jump into the air, bend down, place your hands onto the floor, step or jump back into your variation of a plank, and then take a push-up, jump or step back up toward your hands, and do your second rep. We'll do 10 of these. If this is too much for you, skip the push-up. Three, 2 left. Last one. And relax. Right into our next exercise, shoulder press. I'm using kettlebells here and doing single arm at a time. If you want to speed it up a little bit, you can use dumbbells and do both arms at the same time. 10 reps on each side. I've got my opposite arm on my lower abs just as a reminder to keep my core engaged. That's another reason why I prefer single arm. Also, I don't own any dumbbells, so I'm working with what I got. Last rep. Other side, 10 reps. Three, 2, 1. Relax. Right into ab marches. We'll do the left side first. Hold your weight above your head with a slightly bent arm, strong core, and then bring the knee up as high as you can without compromising your stable upper body. March in place. And relax. If you have dumbbells, this one's a little bit easier. Because I'm using the kettlebells, I'm going to be standing on blocks so that I have a little more height where the kettlebell won't hit the floor. Find a wide stance with your feet. Bend the knees and shift the hips back. Pull your weight up toward the chest, keeping the elbow as close to the side body as possible. Alternate your hands using the kettlebell and or the dumbbells. Repetitions create more of a balance challenge for your body, activating the abs even more. and relax. Lie down onto your back. Extend the feet and the arms up toward the sky. Keep a slight bend in the knees. Strong core engaged. Then drop opposite arm and opposite leg down toward the floor. Inhale on your way down. Exhale on your way back up. Press the low back into the floor. Three, two, last one, and relax. Next exercise, chest press. Grab your weight or weights. Again, this one can be done both arms at the same time if you'd prefer. Place the elbow directly out to the side from the shoulder. Press the weight up toward the sky. 10 reps each side. Three, two, one. Other side, 10 reps. Three, two, one, and relax. Next, we have a basic bicep curl. Again, possible to do this with both arms at the same time if you'd prefer. I just don't have two 10-pound weights, so 10 reps each side. Three, two, one. Other side, 10 reps. Three, two, one, and relax. Straight into the triceps. Pick a smaller weight for this one. Shift the weight back into the hips, bend at the waist, and then kick back your arm into a straight position, activating that tricep. 10 reps each side. Three, two, one. Other side. Again, 10 reps. Shift the hips back in space, bend at the waist, and straighten the arm to activate the tricep. Three, two, one, and relax. Second to last exercise, shoulder flies. Keep the arm straight with a slight bend in the elbow. Rest the weight down by your side, Then lift the arm straight out to a T, come back to starting position, and then straight forward in front of you. Arm straight the entire time. You should feel this in your shoulder cap. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Same thing, straight arm out to the side, and then straight out in front of you. Three, 2, 1. Relax. Next exercise, plank pose. Choose your variation of a plank. I like to set up my plank by wrapping my hands on opposite elbows. Press the elbows into the mat. Press the hands into the mat. You've got this. 1 minute. Keep the core engaged. Legs long. Squeeze the thighs together. Press the feet into the ground. Ten seconds left. And relax. Sit back onto your heels, extend your arms toward the top of the mat into a child's pose. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more, including an after workout stretch. Head over to the Patreon and join as a member there. Thanks for watching.